Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this videos new very unique girls nail art, nail cutting and modern nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. I have uploaded different girls nail art ideas, nail cutting designs and modern nail polish ideas. So lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and share my videos. You will see in these videos new all modern girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new all 40 plus stylish girls nail cutting with finger ring ideas. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish nail art ideas. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new all modern girls nail polish designs. If you like my videos, so viewers please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of stylish girls nail cutting designs. Do you have new ideas of unique nail art ideas? So viewers please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how is my video, so I always try to bring beautiful nail polish designs. Lovely viewer, you will see in this videos new all very stylish different girls nail art ideas, attractive girls nail polish designs with finger ring designs. Today you will see in this videos fabulous and stylish unique modern girls nail art ideas. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So lovely viewer, you will see very attractive and very stylish different girls nail cutting designs. I will meet you in next video, so take care.